Hello all beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are on the day 10th of our 21 days challenge. So today I'm going to teach you about this makeup look with this palette. The makeup look with this palette and also all the other products which are of the affordable range price. And this palette is an amazing palette in which it is like the palette of Pretty and Set. And this palette you can like use this palette as a blush, you can use as a contour, you can use as a highlighter, you can use this palette as a eyebrows. In each and every step you can use this palette only. As you guys were asking me to make a video where there should be a product which should be like all in one product, so I thought of like doing this tutorial which will help you to create the very nice and very exciting look for the Eid, and also using only the one palette and also with the affordable range. Okay, to start with, let us start with today's video using this Nivea moisturizer. As you all guys know, it is a very good moisturizer, so I'll be taking this moisturizer and applying. Once I'm done with applying moisturizer, I'll be applying this Color Bar primer. It is a very good primer, so see the areas where to apply the primer. Okay, in this area you apply in this and in this, and just spread it all over the face. It is a matte primer, it is a very good primer. So I'm going to apply this foundation all over my lid. I'm applying the foundation because I want to like give it a very simple and easy kind of eye makeup. So I don't want to apply a heavy foundation or the concealer. So I'm applying the foundation of Forever 52. Okay, same with the help of the finger. I'll be applying the foundation here also and blend it all over with the finger. So now I am setting this with the help of a powder. Any powder you can take and set it with the help of a powder, with the help of the sponge, or you can take any brush and you set it with that. So to start with, I will take this light pink color, light pink color, with the help of a fluffy brush, and also keep blending above the crease. This is our crease, how I showed you, this is our crease. The color should be above the crease here, and just look on how I am blending the color. Just I am taking in the outer edges and just blending and taking it to the inner edges in the round motions. So I am done with applying both. So now I'll take little bit of dark pink color, like this pink color, to use it in the crease. Okay, I'm using this with the same help of a same brush in the crease. So now I'll take this kind of like maroonish color and in the purple color, and I'll dab off the excess and I'll make a V here. In the outer edges, make a V. Now I'm taking this little bit of like brownish color because I want to create a little bit of like different color transition. So I'll be applying over that V here. So once I'm done applying this, I'll take a shimmer here, a little bit of like this color shimmer here with the help of a finger, and I'll be applying all over the lid. And where you have to apply only below the crease, not above the crease. The color shouldn't go above the crease. Okay, once I'm done applying this, you can see this line and this line is seen. I want to like keep it very blended. I don't want to like show that line, so I'll be taking little bit of this one, the maroon color only. Little bit of, I'll add the black so that it can become little bit darker. So here I'll be like blending. I'll take this color above this. So now it is looking little bit blended. After this, how I showed you that for the hooded eyes you can't go with like very thick liners, you should go with the thin liner. So I'll be taking the Sugar Cosmetics liner and I'll just apply a very thin line. Once I'm done with this, I'll take this shade of the Pro Elegant Concealer in the shade, it is called the Fawn shade, to hide the dark circle. I mostly use this only because my dark circles are not more, so I use this. So now I'm done applying this all over the like pigmentation. Wherever I had the pigmentation, I applied the Fawn shade of the Pro Elegant Concealer there, and now taking the wet sponge, I'll blend it off. Now my pigmentation got hided. Now what I'll do is I'll take this Forward 52 foundation, which is in my shade. I'll take that foundation and I'll apply. If you don't know like how to take the foundation shade, you can watch my previous videos where I have like shown you how to like mix and match and how to create your foundation shade. Then I'll take this Pro Elegant Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, which is one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'll just highlight that. Sorry guys, it came out. For highlighting, you can skip this step if you don't want like heavy coverage and all, you can just skip this step. Wherever I am applying, you all know, because in the like previous classes I have already taught you all this about the theory knowledge, that what are the areas to apply and everything. If you are new to my channel, you can go and check that videos. Okay, now I'll blend it all over. I'll just blend this with the help of a sponge. So once I'm done with blending, I'll take this L'Oreal Infallible Compact with the help of a powder brush, and I'll just add this here. Okay, don't just leave it and make the crease lines down to your eyes, and just powder off in the areas where you get the crease lines. First powder off in that. Okay, don't give a very heavy pressure from the brush, give a very light pressure. Okay, now I'll do the contour with the powder that we get in this palette. The brown color I'll take with the help of a brush, and you know the areas where the contour is done. Oh, sorry, this line is not blended little. Okay. Okay, I have said you the areas where the contour is done. You should like do the contouring in that areas. See the difference now. See the difference between this and this. Now see the nose contour. The nose contour should be like very much nearer. The line should be nearer to each other. With the same palette I am taking all these colors. So now in the same color I'll be doing the same palette color I'll be doing the blush, guys. See this color I'll be taking little bit of like nudish, and the pink I'll mix because totally pink I don't like. So I'll take the little bit of nudish and pink and I'll do the blush. Smile and just apply the blush on the apple of the cheeks and then just blend it. See? Now I am done with applying the blush here also, here also. See, in the same palette only I applied everything. With the same palette only I'll apply the highlighter also. You can see the trick of the highlighter that I just apply from the same palette. Now see, you can see the shimmer color which is in the form of this color. So I'll take with the help of a brush, I mean the fan brush, I'll just drop off the excess and I'll apply. Wow, look at the shine. You can see the shine here and here. Applying this much of the highlighter is more than enough, guys. With the help of the same palette only, I am applying the highlighter. The eyeshadow as a highlighter, I am making it as a highlighter. Then I am applying on my nose. See the shine. Same shine is here also. And see the shine here also. See? Look at the shine. Now I completed with the highlighter. Now I'll do the eyebrows also with the help of the same palette only. Now you can see how I create the eyebrows. Just see, guys, what I'm doing is I'll take this brown color. You're able to see this brown color light. 1, 2, I'll take this little brown color. I'll mix it with little bit of black color. Okay. Now I'll do my eyebrows. Don't do the eyebrows anytime with the black color. Just take some little bit of brown and add little bit of black color and mix it and apply. Okay. See the shape difference. Okay. Same color I'll be taking. I'm just filling my eyebrows. Wherever I feel that I should like fill the eyebrows, I'm just filling it. I'm not making any shape. Okay, because I don't like making the eyebrows. In somewhere in the some tutorials I'll just mention how to like do the perfect eyebrows with the shapes and everything. I'll mention that also. I'll make a different video on that. Okay. Now see my eyebrows. Now here you can see little bit of like space. There also I'll do the same. This much is like more than enough. Same I'll do off here also. Okay, I'm done with this eyebrows. Now I'll do the mascara. After the mascara, we'll go with the eyelashes and we'll just finish the look. Okay. For the mascara, I am using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is very good mascara. If you want to just, after the mascara, if you want to just leave the look like that only, you can leave. Or else if you want to go for applying eyelashes, you can apply, okay? Just keep here and just pull your eyes. See the difference between this and this eye. It is a very good mascara. For this one eyelashes, I'm using the Euro Paris eyelashes. These are very natural looking eyelashes. Euro Paris number 52, and then I'm using this Krylon wala glue, and where I'm applying you can see here. You can just apply it all above the eyelashes and also in the side of the eyelashes, and just apply it very nicely. Don't apply in a very heavy amount like huge kind of like glue. Just apply it in a very even manner. Okay, once you are done with applying this one glue here, just leave it for like 2 to 3 seconds like this. Then just do like this and keep the lashes in the middle. Keep the lashes in the middle and then press that lashes from the end, and also press that lash from the front also. See, this is done. Once the lash gets dry, this glue also will be hided completely. Same way I'll apply the lash here and I'll show you the exact outcome how it comes. Okay, next I'm taking this Swiss Beauty, the lip liner in the shade called Bold. Take the line from out to in, okay, and make a shape like this. I'm using a very kind of like a nudish kind of lipstick on this because I don't want to go with any bold or pink color lipstick, because already my eye makeup is little bit bold. So I'm using this lipstick from Maybelline. The shade of this lipstick is like Mover, M-O-V-E-R, Mover. This is an amazing shade of lipstick which is like very nudish color. Never apply the lipstick without using the lip liner, because it will create a very odd effect on your lips. Okay, see. See, this is done. So let me just wear some jewelry and show you the exact. See, for this you can just, for the hairstyle also, you can just roll it and you can just plug in, and also this look will like it will look very nice also on your face. So you can use any kind of like foundation, like the Maybelline, also any kind of foundation, because for 2 to 3 hours at home, if you want to just create a makeup look, you can create this kind of makeup look. Like, let me know in comments that how is it looking. See, it's like very easy. See, the pink colors that I applied, it is like only the normal colors which I applied. The blush and everything I did only in one palette. Isn't it like amazing that you are getting like contour, the colors, everything in one palette? So why to spend a huge amount on all the like eyeshadow palettes and all? So I suggest you to buy that palette. I'll just I just give the name of the palette below. You can just Google it and see, and you can buy that palette. It can really help you. Okay, as it is a Eid look, so I'll just wear a dupatta and I'll show you that how this look is like going to look. Okay, you can see this. For Eid, for this one Bakrid makeup look, you can just create this kind of like amazing makeup look. It will look really amazing. So stay connected, stay tuned for more makeup looks, and also let me know in comments that whether it helped you or it didn't help you. So if you have any kinds of like doubts, you can ask me. We'll meet like once in a week on the Sunday on the Instagram live. You can ask any kind of like doubts related to makeup or anything, so I'll be there to help you. So take care, bye bye. Till that, just don't forget to add some kind of value in others' life. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.